La Reina Song is a Chinese actress. She was born Sun Bijuan on 23rd May 1998 in Tianjin, China. Song was enrolled in the Beijing Film Academy in 2018. In 2020, Song appeared in CCTV New Year's Gala for the first time, acting out a skit Airport Sisters. The same year, she starred in the fantasy historical drama Guardians of the Ancient Oath. In 2021, she starred in To Fly With You. The same year, she also played The Bond. In 2019, Song starred in the fantasy epic drama Novoland Eagle Flag. The same year, she was cast in romance comedy drama Cupid's Kitchen. Forbes China listed a Song under their 30 Under 30 Asia 2019 list, which consisted of 30 influential people under 30 years old who have had a substantial effect in their fields. She is a director's actress and has often been praised for her versatility and maturity. In 2005, Song began her acting career with a supporting role in the drama The Sea and Sky Boundless. She then continued to act in various dramas and gained recognition for playing Neza in the 2009 television series Prelude of a Lotus Lantern. In 2018, Song played lead roles in the fantasy historical drama The Dark Lord as well as the comedy web series The Gossip High. She received positive reviews for her acting performance and line delivery. She is famous for being one of the most beautiful actresses in China. In 2016, Song returned to acting in the comedy film Papa, where she starred alongside Zia Yu. She is the epitome of beauty and one of the few actresses who is full of astonishing abilities and talents, who never steps back in experimental with her unique roles. In 2017, Song joined the variety program Divas Hit the Road and became known to audiences. This same year, Song played a supporting role in the youth drama Boyhood, where she starred alongside TF Boys. She is a young actress who is very passionate about acting and wants to become an international star. On February 23rd, 2021, Song Studio issued a statement in response to some false news about Song on the internet. The studio stated that some online users published content about Song's hidden marriage and living with the rich second generation, which were inconsistent with the facts. On April 1st, 2020, some media released Song's drunk animated picture saying that she kicked passers-by after drinking, and then the kicked person posted on Weibo to clarify that he was a staff member and actor in the crew and had a good relationship with Sung. In 2019, she worked in movie Crash.